now for a short break, after which we'll have a story about a boy who can see in the dark. Stay with me. Believe it or not, there's a boy in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region who has the ability to see clearly in the dark. One day, Song Qiang, an eye specialist at Guangxi Minorities Hospital, traveled to Dahua village in Heng County to visit the boy.
When we arrived, school had just finished. The teacher took us to see Nong Yok Sui's home. We were surprised to find that he had blue eyes, just like Westerners. As we looked closer, we saw something else. In the dark, Nong's eyes would emit a kind of blue-green light when shone upon by a flashlight. His eyes were just like cat's eyes.
生出来两个月啊，2个月，人家就告诉他这个孩子这个眼睛不同我们一样啊。最后我都慢慢来看他这个眼睛就是有一点挖。到最后我带他到恒生人民医院里看过啊。他说，有医生说没有钱。 他以后大了，慢慢变的。
As Nong Yuosui grew, his eyes remained the same color. Since his eyes never bothered him and his sight was good, gradually his family began to care less about them. Nong was an outstanding child. He enjoyed playing outside with other kids. As time passed, his head teacher noticed something peculiar. If the children were playing outside in bright sunlight, Nong would have to squint his eyes, and he'd complain about blurry vision, but everyone else could see normally. The teacher also heard something astounding from one of Nong's best friends.
到后面呢，这些同学呢就讲了说，他的眼睛啊是猫眼的，他说啊。 晚上呢，我们用电筒一照他，闪光的，我们都怕了。所以呢，我就问他你晚上看得见吗？可以啊。我说呢，你去捉这个蟋蟀啊，去不去啊？去啊。我们用电筒吗？不用，我就可以捉到了。他这样说。
Just a few days ago, a journalist from Hung County reported on Nong Yuosui. They performed a test. The journalist wrote down some questions on a piece of paper and gave it to Nong. They then covered a stairwell and used blankets to block out most of the light. Nong entered the room and completed all of the questions, even the filling in of the blanks. Since then, Nong's cat's eyes have become famous.
因为第一次的时候是真的很黑，我都看不见，就是。 旁边的人我看不见，我们前面是一堆人在里面的嘛，都叫他猜那个扑克牌。但是那个扑克牌就是我们平常玩的那种啊，那种有那种有花样的那种，他看起来可能，他一下子我们叫他猜这个是什么，他一下子就说出来了。